Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products for these big trailers right here. And let's take a look at the overall size first. The entire length front to the behind for this board is about like 337 inches. And the depth from the left to the right is about like 93 inches. And from the bottom to the top, the edge right here to the top, it's about like 35.5 inches. And the clearance for the edge right here for the wheel covers from the ground is almost about like 30 inches. And also the units we have make some like amazing features on it. You can change the different angle from the cleaning. You can using the remote controls to let it goes up. They can all the way go to the top, and the end of the edge, they can attach on the ground. And from the behind, you can put any trailers or lift gate or cars to pulling up to this board. And when you finish it, you can secure them, and using the remote controls, you can using the remote control to let the machine go back. And you can see they have a big hinge at the front. The motor is right here set up ready with the batteries and the control box. And this tank for the oils for the pumps. And let's take a measurement for the hinge. Entire length is almost about like 48.5 inches for this hinge. As you can see, we're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the standards on the side to helping you to secure the big board. And if you have more questions, you can just contact with us. This video is all information for the machine. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.